road trips mean a lot of time behind the wheel. Fortunately, there are plenty of options to upgrade your ride and enhance your experience on the road by making it safer, smoother, and much more enjoyable. Whether it's keeping interiors clean and tidy, charging your devices on the go, connecting your smartphone to your vehicle, or saving your life, these creative car gadgets and accessories will have you covered on your motorized travels. If you own a new high-end car, chances are you won't be needing most of these gizmos, but if you don't, a touch of modern functionality can be crucial for your safety and comfort along the way. We have collected top 15 car gadgets available in 2023. To make your trip easy, watch our video till end to find out helpful gadgets for your car. So let's get started. But before dive into the video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay tuned. Number 1. Hodo Portable Electric Tire Inflator / Air Pump. Say hello to our favorite portable electric tire inflator. Equipped with an easy-to-read OLED display, intuitive buttons, internal cooling fans, and a 2,500 mAh lithium battery, the Hodo Portable Electric Tire Inflator / Air Pump is one of the best car accessories you can get your hands on. Not only is this sleek, smart air pump able to inflate anything, from car to bike tires to balls, but it automatically stops when the desired pressure is reached. And when it's time to recharge, you can easily do so on the go via a Type-C port. Number 2. Fellow Carter Move Mug Plus Slide Lock Lid. Another must-have car accessory, Fellows Carter Move Mug Plus Slide Lock Lid is the most practical way to enjoy coffee while driving. An advanced version of the Carter Move Mug with splash guard, it fits perfectly into the cup holder of any vehicle and has a uniquely angled lid that slides open with the flick of a thumb. Thanks to its double vacuum-sealed wall, it retains your drink temperature for 6 hours and sports a sleek design, which makes it a nice, thoughtful gift for the driver in your life. Number 3. Yuguang OBD2 Heads-Up Display. A really useful car gadget, Yuguang OBD2 is a heads-up display for your vehicle designed to project essential information onto a transparent screen in front of you. Equipped with 3D reflection technology, it gives you instant access to crucial trip data like fuel consumption, voltage, air-fuel ratio, oil temperature, and more. Who says those of us who don't necessarily own a new, high-end automobile can't keep up with the latest in automotive technology? Number 4. Yakima CBX Solar 16 Roof Box. At 16 cubic feet, the Yakima CBX Solar 16 Roof Box is sure to accommodate all your family's belongings on the next big road trip, including snowboards and skis up to 185 centimeters. The hardshell roof rack is stylish, easy to mount, and features a dual-side opening for easy access to your gear from either side of the vehicle. And best of all, it comes with an integrated solar panel and 2 USB ports to charge your devices at the campsite. Number 5. Sunbelt Car Kettle Boiler. For real tea enthusiasts, it can be difficult to get a decent brew while driving around the country. That's where the Sunbelt electric car kettle comes in handy. Just plug it into your vehicle's lighter outlet and boil your water from the comfort of the driver's seat. Designed to fit most vehicle cup holders, this 750 ml travel boiler comes with a safety lid to prevent spills and can also be used every time you fancy a hot cup of coffee or a steamy bowl of soup on the go. Number 6. Inflatable Car Bed. Add extra comfort to your extended car journeys with Luno Air Mattress. Suitable for over 1,800 vehicle types, this inflatable bed allows you to turn the rear seat of your automobile into a plush bed on camping trips or whenever you feel tired. The package also includes 2 base extenders, a repair patch, a 12V air pump, and a carrying case. Number 7. Handpresso Auto Hybrid Coffee Maker. The internet is full of interesting accessories for coffee lovers on the go, but when it comes to road trips, few of them can compete with Handpresso Auto. Designed for car use, this coffee maker plugs into the cigarette lighter, delivering a perfect barista-quality espresso in just 2 minutes. The product is compact enough to fit in the cup holder and works with both ESC pods and ground coffee. Number 8. Nanda ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor. With ZUS, Nanda's latest in-car gadget, you can track the tire pressure in real time from your mobile phone. The Smart Tire Safety Monitor detects slow leaks before it's too late thanks to its innovative AccuTemp algorithm. It also comes with an anti-theft locking system and a built-in USB port for charging other devices. Number 9. Autoscape Life-Saving Tool. What would you do if you were trapped in a disabled car after an accident? While the thought of this can be terrifying, being prepared for it could make the difference between life and death. In worst-case scenarios like this one, Autoscape is your way out. Made of military-grade aluminum, this emergency 3-in-1 car tool serves as window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and emergency flashlight, all of which can be vital in desperate situations. Number 10. BaitTrack S80 Pro Breathalyzer. While we greatly discourage the idea of drinking and driving, we do believe it's beneficial to have a device that lets you know whether or not you're legally capable of getting behind the wheel. Equipped with police-grade sensor technology, the BaitTrack S80 Pro is one of the best portable breathalyzers you can buy these days. Aside from producing the most accurate test results, this top-notch personal alcohol tester is extremely easy to use in red and comes with disposable mouthpieces for hygiene. Number 11. Escort X Long-Range Radar Detector. With its intelligent features and outstanding long-range detection ability, Escort X is a trustworthy companion for travelers who are often on the road. The device is one of the most technologically advanced radar detectors on the market, and if you have a lead foot, your best bet for avoiding annoying speeding tickets on the highway. Number 12. Yai Mirror Dash Camera. Feeling safe at all times is essential to your experience on the road, which is why a dash cam is one of the best car gadgets you can buy. In addition to capturing fun videos of you and your friends on a road trip, they can be decisive in the event of an accident, being capable of providing evidence to law enforcement and insurance companies. Number 13. Sunglasses Visor Clip. If your car doesn't come equipped with a built-in sun visor sunglass holder, it may be worth the cost to add one yourself. Wrapped in leather and equipped with a built-in sponge, the DualShine Car Visor Sunglasses Holder does an excellent job of keeping your sunglasses/eyeglasses scratch-free, within reach, and safely stored on the road. Its elegant, minimalist design and one-hand maneuverability will delight even the most discriminating car owner. Number 14. Car Swivel Tray and Storage Bin. If you spend a lot of time in your car, chances are you'll also need to eat, drink, and work on the run. Pivoting back and forth between driver and passenger, the car swivel tray and storage bin makes it easy for everyone to have a snack in a moving vehicle or to keep their necessities at hand. Number 15. Philips Go Pure Car Air Purifier. Remove odors and clean the air inside your vehicle with Philips Go Pure Compact. Sleek, modern, and easy to install, this high-end car air purifier uses a 3-layer filtration system to eliminate up to 99% of the harmful bacteria, gases, smoke, and odors inside the cabin. It also has an integrated air particle sensor that shows current air quality. Which car gadget is a must-try for you? Let us know your thoughts in comments below. Also like this video and subscribe to our channel for watching more videos on advanced gadgets.